In today's video, I'm going to show you a way on how you can see Instagram story without seen. If you're also trying to view someone's story on Instagram and you don't want the other person to know that you viewed their story. So if you also want to learn how you can do this, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. So there are two ways that you can do it. There is a way that you can do it within the app of Instagram as well. So for example, this is a story that you want to view, and you'll need to open up the first story like this. If there is an ad or something else, you'll again need to swipe left, but this time you'll need to hold on to the story without letting it go. This way you can view the exact story that they've added in. If it is a video, you won't be able to watch the video. Now this method does work, but I'm going to show you a different way as well that you can view these stories without being seen. The second method that I'm going to show you only works if the person's Instagram account is public. If their account is private, this method would not work. So you need to search for storysaver.net on your web browser, and this is the website. From where if you scroll down, you just need to type in the exact username of the person, and if you tap on download, you can see all of their stories. Whether it be photos or videos, you can easily view them and even download them if you want. So this is a great website to view stories without being seen, but as I said, it will only work if the account of that person is public. If it is set to private, this website would not be able to view and locate these stories. So that was the exact video on how to see Instagram story without seen. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.